Good morning, everybody. It is Sunday morning, and I was going to go to the gym and just do a cardio session. And I was on my way there, and I just decided, you know what? Let's just go walk on the trail / run. Let's just get our cardio in outside. It's such a beautiful morning. Why spend it in the gym on a treadmill, right, guys? Come on, let's just get outside and do this. So that's what I'm doing this morning. I'm down by a local trail near my house, and yeah, we're coming up on a creek right now. You can probably hear it in the background. Anyway, yeah, so just wanted to let you guys know to sit back, relax, and enjoy this quick little nature walk. I'll see y'all. For some reason, I really need to go to the bathroom now. I don't know why. Just kidding. I'm just kidding. I don't need to go to the bathroom. Running water. Bathroom, you know what I mean? Alright, guys. Let's get walking. Oh, by the way, got my my iWatch on. And you can see how many calories I'm going to burn through this little session. So. Look here, guys, we got some of nature's creatures sitting on here, just swimming around. And then you pan over here, what you got here? Oh my God, guys, that's, what is that? Oh, he looks like an angry brick. Look at those eyes, those beady little eyes are right there. They're looking back at you. Oh, he's an angry little beast, ain't he? Oh, guys, we don't leave him in his natural habitat. Leave him alone. Do not disturb those beady eyes. See those eyes? Oh, he's crazy. All right, guys. We're going to back away very slowly, guys. We're going to leave him alone. We don't want to anger the brick. Alright, guys, I made it to the top of our little hill, and it took about 35 minutes. I stopped a few ways to get some video, and but I can't talk. Anyway, here is the top of our little trail here, and it overlooks supposed to overlook the lake. But I think the lake is kind of low, so we'll see if we can see the lake. No, not really. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. All right, this is at the top of our little trail, hill, mountain, whatever you want to call it. Took them about 30 minutes to get up here. A long ways down. I know this video doesn't do it justice. It's a long ways down there. There's some chairs. You see those? Right there. I'll give you an idea of how far it is up here. It's pretty tiny. But I guess it doesn't overlook the lake because the lake is kind of just beyond those trees right over here. I thought it did. It's been a while since I've been up here. So anyway, this is it. One last pan. So this is it. You know, what sucks is that no matter how far you walk or run, you gotta go back. So it's not like the treadmill where you're done for 30 minutes. You just get off and go to your car. You walk 30 minutes or run 30 minutes, you gotta go back. So that's what we're doing. We're gonna head back. Angles. Steve, you got some sick angles, bro. Probably gonna edit that out because that was stupid. I think I'm lost. This doesn't look right. Thing is with these trails is that there's a bunch of ways to go and they branch off. I think I just took a long detour. That's alright. Because now I'm going back uphill when I should be going downhill because it was uphill to get there. I don't know. We'll figure it out. I got a phone. I'll call 911. I'll text you guys. Put out an APP, APD, ATT, GOD, LOL. I don't know. Put out one of those 3-letter acronyms and call you guys. Oh, I may have found the right trail. I don't know. I'll get back with you guys. Oh, all right, guys. So, I definitely was on the wrong trail. Somehow I was heading to the complete opposite side of the trail. But heading back to the trail that I came in on. So it's just a little extra detour, which means more calories burned, right? A little more time in nature.